Hello YouTubers, I'm the How To Husband, and today we are going to be installing a Nest Smart Home Thermostat. The first thing that you will want to do is go and turn off your oil burner switch. It is a red plated switch located somewhere in or near your basement. Here we are at our old thermostat, which we will be replacing. When you purchase a Nest thermostat new in the box, it will come with all the parts you need, including the thermostat itself, the decorative wall plate, the mounting plate, and of course all the screws that you need to mount the system on the wall. So the first thing you'll do is you'll grab the thermostat cover and pull that off, and there'll be a couple screws holding this thermostat onto the wall. You'll start by unscrewing those. There should be at least two, one on either side, and then you'll just pull that away from the wall. This one appears to be attached with a third screw. So now that we have the old thermostat removed, you'll see there's two wires, a white and a red. This is a heating only system. Your system may have heating and cooling, or heating only, or cooling only. Depending on the type of system you have in your house will depend on the way that you attach your new thermostat. So you'll remove all the screws. There's two screws holding the wires on, and there's two screws holding the mounting plate to the wall. Once you have all those removed, you can go ahead with the installation process for the new thermostat. Okay, once you have all the old hardware off, you'll see that we have the wire control coming out of the wall now. You'll want to go ahead and straighten the ends of those two wires so they'll easily go into the new thermostat. You'll take your new hardware mounting plate, place it over the wires, centering the wires in the hole as best as possible, and you'll simply screw the new plate to the wall. Once you have the mounting hardware on the wall, you'll go ahead and determine which way you would like the backing plate, either horizontal or vertical. You'll go ahead and take the Nest thermostat piece and slide it right over the mounting plate. Okay, you'll use two of these supplied screws to secure it to the wall. Now that we have that connected, as I mentioned before, depending on the system you have, there are a number of different terminals for wiring for your specific system. We have a simple heating only system, which gives us two wires. So we'll take our white wire and we'll simply insert that into the white 1 terminal. And we'll take our red wire and we'll turn that into our red heating terminal. Pretty much everything is self-explanatory. However, there are instructions available on the internet as well as along with a brand new Nest thermostat. Now, once you have those wires, you want to make sure that the center, there's no wires sticking out. You'll take your Nest control and simply line up the terminals on each and snap it into place. Now, there is no power currently to this, so you'll need to go back to your red switch, which you turned off for your furnace, and once we turn it on, we should have power and a working thermostat. Okay, and once you've turned the power back on, you'll want to give your new thermostat a few moments to get acclimated. You'll see it has powered up. It is running through a test cycle to make sure that the connections are correct. Once the unit realizes it's connected properly, it will run through a series of small tests and walk you through the setup with on-screen instructions. So we are done here. As you can see, it is a beautiful working thermostat. I hope this video has been educational for you, and if you have any questions or requests, please leave them in the comments below.